How to apply promo code on the Noodle Box application. First, you want to open the Noodle Box app. After that, you want to tap on order now. After that, you want to simply tap on any of the options based on your preference. I'm going to tap on browse menu. Here you'll be able to add all your orders over here. Here are your food categories, and you can simply tap on any of the options to add your drinks or foods over here. And if they are open, you can simply add them to your cart. And to apply your promo code, you want to simply go to the view cart option, and here you'll be able to see all your orders. And before you check out, you want to proceed to the payment screen, and on the payment screen you'll be able to find an empty bar called promo code, and on that empty tab you want to type your code. You need to make sure that your code is valid and has not expired. After that, you want to simply click on apply, and by doing so you have successfully applied your promo code on the Noodle Box app. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.